to welcome you to the 2018 ALSC Charlemae Rollins President's Program. Every year during the American Library Association Conference, children's librarians gather for this program, featuring influential and inspirational speakers who focus the attention and energies of the nation's children's librarians on an issue of importance.
Stories matter, lived experiences across human cultures, including realities about a parent's behavior, economic circumstance, gender, national origin, social class, spiritual belief, life, and thought matter. Do we give all stories the same weight in schools, in libraries, in bookstores, in communities, in homes, in the national media, and around the world? Do all stories truly matter? What would it look like if we had a world where all stories featuring all children mattered?
I don't think that when we sit down to write, there should be any worries about what's going to be popular, and no thoughts of money, just not even in range compared to the importance of what we want to offer to children. The Surrender Tree is typical of many of my historical verse novels. For researching these, I usually spend at least a year reading everything I can find. I read the more recent publications and then go through the bibliographies to find the earlier ones, and I keep doing that and doing that and doing that, and I use interlibrary loan until it wears out. And the librarians, oh no, not her again. And just go back farther and farther in time until I find first-person narratives, which is where the emotions are found.
I am trying to figure out a way to communicate humility, intimacy, and gratitude to our children, specifically my children. I love black kids, and I ain't never gonna be made to feel ashamed for writing books with them in mind. It does not mean that they are the only ones who can read my books. I'm tired of y'all giving all my books to the black kids. Like, I got something for you. No, these books are for everybody, but please believe I do have them in mind when I'm writing these stories, and I'm never gonna be made to feel small for doing that, right? That's a reality for me, right? And so, I look around the room right now, and there's a whole lot of white librarians, and I got a lot of love for you, but if you're serving black children and brown children and marginalized kids, please believe they don't need your salvation. They don't need you to save them. They need you to see them. Tell them thank you for coming in the library. That's it.